Hi, my name is José Perez. I'm a Pursuit Scholar, and I just graduated 4 days ago from a degree with Psych. I was leading a Bible study, and the school counselor, she found out that I'm a Christian, so she told me about this scholarship with Act 6 that they partnered up with Pursue Scholar, and then I just applied for the scholarship, a little bit scared, because I know it's like very competitive, but at the end I got it, and it's been a blessing. Freshman year in Taylor University, so we had like weekly meetings, so we'll meet up and just talk about like overall just basic things like and just about like how to turn in homework, assignments, turning things on times, like time management, scheduling, all that good stuff. And all throughout my 4 years at Taylor University at the college that I just graduated from, Pursuit Scholar just did a great job at knowing that I'm not alone, that they're always with me, and don't be scared to reach out. There was times when we would meet up as well and just be along with my cadre. I think also another big thing is my cadre. We were there together. We came in together and we graduated together. So I think that's a big thing as well. The first time I did the Pursue Unity walk, it was just an amazing experience. It was nice catching up with good old friends, the leadership staff, and just overall the Pursue Scholar staff. It was just nice for me to share about like my journey in college, and then also for them to just give me some advice and wisdom. The reason why I did it is because Pursue Scholar is they have done a great job at investing in me. So now I just want to go back and do little things here and there to support Pursue Scholars and just show my love towards them, just like how they showed it to me. For someone that is thinking about doing the Pursue Unity walk or is just considering it, I would just say go for it. Even though it can feel like a long walk, it doesn't feel like it when you're having good conversations with the people around you, getting to know people. So yeah, I would just take the leap of faith and just do it. And not only because of the walk, but it's just because it's a good cause. What you're being part of, you're being joining a family that is pursuing something big, pursuing a big goal to help out the urban leaders around Chicago area. So yeah, just come down and join us. It'll be a good time. Right now, I'm in the process of a pastoral apprenticeship position under my dad. It's with New Life Community Church. So I'm in the process of that. I'm prioritizing that. But then maybe in 1 and 2 years, probably go back to school or maybe somewhere internationally. I mean, I can say so much, but at the end, God has the last words. So I'm just being faithful and just building a good spiritual foundation before I pursue something professionally.